So we're on day 5 today of drilling. The interesting thing about it is it's now been 3 days of drilling, because I started initially on that first day after I'd finished sand deadening the floor of down here. I finished doing this and I started on the drilling, and I didn't get anywhere with that the first day. The second day was pure drilling. Batteries died on me and I had to charge them, and I came back out here second time to start drilling and still got caught out by it. I even hoovered as well, so I hoovered up all the crap that had come down from it. And now we're on the third day and I've got one pop rivet to attack, one. And then after I've finished attacking now, I still need to push the pop rivets through the car so I can actually take them out and put new pop rivets in. So in actual fact, this job is definitely so far the hardest I've had to do in this car. I'm not looking forward to the cabling because I'm expecting the same sort of time again, but we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. So this is my drill. Tape there, get out of the way. So that's the charge for the drill. Nothing fancy. You plug directly into the battery. Have a look, right at the top. So they're nothing fancy. Does the job. So it's got 18 speeds on it, I think. Yeah, 18. The extra feature. It's got 2 speeds on it on the top. So at the moment it's in its fastest speed. There's a light on it as well, as you can see. It's not a bad drill. It goes through three quarter thick wood quite well, as I've used it already, just as a test. Does quite well. So for what I'm doing, it's adequate. So that's what I'll be using from now on. So I had to give my friend's drill back and get my own, because I can't keep borrowing tools all the time, can I? So as I say, that's what I needed, so that's what I'm using.
Next level.